How's it going, guys? Welcome to video 6 of how to generate an income online using Facebook ads. And today I'm going to run over the different types of ads you can use. And there's really two different types. There's the dark post and then what we call light post. And a dark post, essentially what it is an ad that doesn't show up on your normal Facebook page. So just scrolling through normal Facebook newsfeed, you'll see an ad. So this is obviously an ad. Keep scrolling, find another one. Keep scrolling. So this is obviously another ad. And these will be classed, these will be classed as dark ads. And what a dark post is, or a dark ad, is it shows up on people's news feeds, but if you go and click on this person's Facebook page, it's not going to be on their Facebook page. So this is essentially a light post because this is what ClickSees post on their on their Facebook page, just to give value to customers, stuff like that. And they're going to have, these are all light posts, but these are just adding value to the customer. They're not really, they probably are selling a little bit, but they're more value post. And a dark post is very different because a dark post is an ad, and when you set up ads, you can do a lot of different stuff. You want to test different buttons, you want to test different pictures and text and stuff like that. So if you were to have all those different tests, like different buttons, different text, different pictures, and they all showed up on your page like this, it would just look ugly, and it's just not what you want your customers to see. You want that to happen in the background. You only want to show the customers on the Facebook page these sort of light posts. But if you want to see a competitor's ads, you can go onto their Facebook page. This goes with anyone's Facebook page. Scroll down about halfway or so, find page transparency, click see all, and what you can actually do is you can go to the ad library, and this will show you all the different ads these people are running. So these essentially are what are called dark posts. So select whatever country you're in. So these are all ads, and these won't necessarily show up on their Facebook page because you don't want customers coming on your Facebook page and seeing all these different types of ads. You see, you don't want this ad's very similar to this ad. You don't want those on your Facebook page. You just want these hidden, and they only show to customers in their news feed. So these essentially are what a dark post. So you've got your light posts that show up on your Facebook page, which you post and they add value, but then you've got your dark posts, stuff like this, which are essentially what your ads are. So hopefully that helps. I'm going to show you how to obviously set up these dark posts in another video, but that's just a very quick overview of light posts and dark posts. Hope that makes sense. If it doesn't, leave a comment below and I'll try and make another video to try and explain it a bit better, but I think that makes sense. In the next video, I'm going to show you different marketing techniques, not marketing techniques, but different types of marketing. So different brand awareness, different types of awareness ads and stuff like that. Like Facebook has video ads and conversion ads and all sorts of different types of ads. I'm going to show you in the next video exactly what they are and what ads you can use. What ads are better to use at certain times, I guess that's what you could say. So hopefully that makes sense, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.